Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today you join me in my 1990 Subaru Justy. So yeah, I'm doing a clean down of it. I am recording this intro after I've done the full clean, so yeah, enjoy. So what I'm doing here is just plucking out mud and stuffs from the brake pedal. No, I think this is actually worn down to the metal underneath. Can't really see that one. Oh no, it's just fuck's sake. Ugh. I hate this part of cars. Absolutely hate it. Right, I'm going to end this little segment here and I'll show you the finished product. So yeah, this is the after of the pedals after I've scrubbed and cleaned them. And now I'm going on to spraying down the dash and stuffs. So I'll clean this down and then show you what it's like afterwards. So this is the dash afterwards. Doesn't look too bad, to be honest. I thought it would look like an absolute pile of rubbish. Really. I just noticed. Hold on. Oh no, that's why. Anyway, I'm moving on to the door cards now and stuffs. So yeah, show the after of these. Yeah, so this is the passenger side door card and it is an absolute state. So yeah, hopefully the before and after on this would look a lot better. Yeah, and this is the after, and that's not too bad. So yeah, this car's actually cleaning up pretty well. So I'm now going to clean up the roof, and it is, well, there's no other way to say it, it's pretty horrible. It's got all these little like specky black bits and horriblenesses. So yeah, hopefully it cleans up pretty well. So yeah, I've half done the roof now. I've partly started cleaning that bit there. As you can see, it's still pretty grimy, but the roof's actually coming up really nice. It is. If I just fold down the sun visors, bear with. There you go, that was the original colour of the roof. There. See if I do that. There you go, that was the original coloured roof. and that's it now, which is pretty good. So yeah, it's cleaned up very nicely. So yeah, I've just hoovered out the boot and the underneath of the rear seats. About to head onto the floor of the rear, because that's not looking good. Yeah, as I said before, still got about half the roof to do. So yeah, I'll catch up with you lot afterwards, after I've done all this. Yeah, bye. So yeah, I've done the floors and stuff. Back of the seats, I've got the centre console bit soaking. I've done this door card here, and yeah, I'm nearly done. I've just got that bit there, and got to finish off the front of the car, front dash and stuff. So yeah. So yeah, this is the complete clean of my 1990 Subaru Justy 1.2. And yes, it has a very small engine, and yes, it's a 3-cylinder, so ha ha, at yours. So yeah, nice clean roof now. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.